Yeah. Oh, what a bite. Look at that. I didn't find the best time for fishing really. The temperature dropped down, wind, rain. Hope it's gonna save me some troubles today. So good morning ladies and gentlemen. Today our main target is ASP, one of top predators here. It's an amazing fighter with very brutal attacks. Today we're going to try fishing for this predator with this outstanding lure, Rizer Bait from Jackall. Hope it's gonna work. Let's try. You know, professionally speaking, I really don't care about weather because I have very nice rain jacket. I just worry about shooting the movie and bites, you know, the fish activity itself, because you know, after this rapid change, weather change, sometimes it doesn't look well. Oh my, hope they will cooperate today. Also should be careful when going down from the cliff, because rocks can be quite slippery. I'm going to start right over here with casting my lures. Fortunately I can reach a long distance because this lure is quite heavy. It's a surface lure, you'll see in a while. So this lure is very interesting because this is fast sinking top water lure. Yeah, it goes down to the bottom very quickly. So the fast retrieval is necessary, it's needed because of this lip. It goes up to the surface, rises up to the surface. And for ASP it works very well sometimes. Let's see if it's gonna work today. Here it is, finally. Oh my, a nice fish, guys, nice fish. Oh man. Yeah. Have a look at this beautiful fish. Oh my. It took the lure properly. Outstanding. Beautiful one. Yeah. Beautiful. So I think guys, you just believe right now that this is one of the best targets when you fish with lure. Of course you can catch ASP on the fly. However, today I am not going to try it because it is really needed to cast very far away, approximately 150 or 200 feet, because the water is shallow and they're very spooky. Here and on this water during the weekend can be quite a lot of fishermen. So now in this weather is my best chance on Monday. Oh, what a bite! Look at that! Oh, just look at that! Oh, probably even bigger. Beautiful fish. Beautiful asp. Okay, come on. Be well.
I just told you that I'm about it. I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it. That's just what it is. Yeah, I'm known to make it rowdy. Then I'm for the fit, and I drive a wide body. Who you know? But like this, nobody. Can't go slow. I gotta hit.
Oh, yeah! What a bite, guys! Oh, that got crazy. Phew.
Been a long hard road, gotta go home. Yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gon' keep on. Yeah. Came through blessing, cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take.
Again, the big one. There is no small fish today. Interesting.
Yeah!
Hey! Alright, again, easy to release fish. I'm always happy when I step on it. Yeah. Okay, come on. So it's time to change the fishing spot. Not because they stopped biting, but because I want to save fish. No, I know they bite here. I just want to show you they will continue biting also on the other spots, not only here. So let's change our location and probably we'll see some more asps.